Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to reset your Windows 11 PC or laptop color settings. If you've accidentally changed your color settings or want to revert to the default, just follow these simple steps. First, right-click on the Windows icon and select Settings from the menu. In the Settings window, click System and Display. Scroll down to find Advanced Display under Related Settings and click on it. In the Advanced Display settings, choose the display you want to reset if you have multiple displays connected. Then, click on Display Adapter Properties for Display 1 or whichever display you're working with. A new window will open. Here, go to the Color Management tab, then click on Color Management again. Another window will pop up. From the top menu, click on the Advanced tab. At the bottom, you'll see a message indicating that color settings are stored separately for each user. Click on Change System Defaults. In the new box, go to Advanced again and select the option Use Windows Display Calibration. Once you check this, click Close, then OK, and close all other windows. Finally, restart your PC or laptop and your color settings will be reset on Windows 10 or 11. If this video helped you out, feel free to buy me a coffee using the link in the description. This will support the channel so I can keep making more videos like this. Thanks for watching.